Welcome, everyone. Amazing and truly exciting episode today. We're going to be making bacon from scratch, or at least we're going to be curing it, smoking it, cutting it, eating it eventually. It's going to take about a week, so that's the downside.
Our first important note, we're using pork belly. That's what's used to make bacon. We're going to unwrap it. We're going to cut it down the middle, essentially into manageable sized pieces so it'll fit into a 1-gallon Ziploc bag. That's where the cure will take place. Let's talk about what's in the cure now.
It's just salt, this prog powder #1 or with sodium nitrate. And this is dangerous in a way. Like, you're not supposed to eat it by itself, which is freaking crazy to think we're putting this on food, letting it do its thing, and then eating it a week later. But I mean, it's a couple of pinches. So just so you can see, like, it's very, very little. It's 14 grams. So we have Morton's kosher salt. This is both light and dark brown sugar just mixed together. 125 grams each. Again, we have our prog powder #1. You have to order this online. I've never seen it anywhere else. And as you know, Amazon's kind of the go-to for weird stuff like this.
The process itself of curing is simple. We mix the ingredients, we rub it all over the belly. We're going to put it into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. We're then going to double bag, specifically because I've had that first bag break in the fridge, and it will be raw pork juice and sugar and gross stuff all over.
Prep is done. The curing process starts now.
As time goes with the cure, you're going to see the bellies are going to start, all of that sugar and salt, it's going to all turn into this juice that you could see there on the bottom corner. So if you don't see that, the cure did not work right. As time goes, you're going to see more, and the belly itself is going to start to feel tough. Even that fatty part's going to firm up a bit. That's a great sign. And for me, 5 days is the golden rule. 5-day cure, it's perfect. So for this part here, we're washing our cure off. At the same time, I have our smoker warming up. Goal is to aim between 2 and 250. Putting a little charcoal, some cherry wood. I honestly don't notice the difference in flavor, but that's what I had. And here we go. So we're going to smoke the bellies for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And my big trick, if you can call it that, is we're going to also do an hour in the oven at 250. I find that is the perfect way to get the bellies to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, which is fully cooked. And look how beautiful they look after that's done. Now we're breaking out the slicer, the big guy. We're going to square up the bellies first. I have a slicer simply because cutting 50 to 60 to 75 pieces of consistent bacon is just not possible for me. So this was a good investment. It was only $60. I've had it for like 15 years. The only thing I use it for is bacon. Simple as that. So we cut the bellies into manageable pieces to fit on the slicer, and we just go to town. You'll see the piles build up. I try to separate them in the roughly half-a-pound piles, because that's the perfect amount for storage, mainly so we don't eat too much at one time. And then just save the rest and put it in the freezer. We worked really hard. It's been a week, several steps. Here we are at the very end. I like a non-stick skillet for this. It's just easy to clean up, get all the bacon grease out. Probably takes about 10 minutes to get to where we are.
All right, folks, we're officially done. Hear that crisp, that crunch? 100% worth the effort. I hope you try it. But honestly, reach out if you have any questions. Happy to help. Otherwise, like, subscribe, see you in the comments. We'll see you next time. Take care.